Well, just up in one of our fields of corn, you can see here, looking pretty good. We had some rain clouds come over this afternoon, broke apart, went around us. Now they're saying maybe Sunday. It's Thursday right now. We need rain. That'll close these rows in real fast. The corn will take off. The co-op is just about here. The tender truck's here. And the sprayer with the Y-Drops is at a different field of ours right now. And then he's coming here. And I'm gonna see if I can't get a couple quick clips of them doing that, because I think it's gonna be pretty neat. So check it out. Now that is a sprayer. Holy smokes. Now he's 60 feet wide, so he's got to jump into our second round of planting so he doesn't be on the odd row in between his tires. So that's why he's like not getting the 3 rows on the outside, but that is a sweet rig right there. Wow. Let's see if we can chase him with the drone quick. I don't think he'll mind. So something you're gonna notice in this next clip right after this one is again, how well those Y-Drops follow the row. If you watch his left side of the boom here when it switches, you're gonna see the Y-Drops follow the row. And that's just because, again, different planter configurations were with a 12 row, but you know, he can go to many different fields and those will find their way through the corn and not take the corn out. You'll also notice there that they're only every other row, so the corn's only getting the nitrogen on one side, but still nonetheless, it's getting the nitrogen. He's 60 feet wide. He can run a lot less down, especially if he uses his crab steering. But he's still only able to do about 4.5 to 5 miles an hour as well to achieve the gallon rate that we're trying to go for here. But it's a really neat machine. I wish I would have had more time. I had to run to work, so I only got footage of him running on the headlands here. So that's again when you run into a lot more of those odd rows where the planter shutoffs worked. So, you know, the Y-Drops look like they're moving around a lot, but it's an amazing machine. They did a good job, and yeah, just enjoy this last few clips here. What a machine. I mean, that thing's a monster. I was gonna try to get some close-up video here when he come around, but he crossed into the back couple fields to get those out of the way, and they'll finish up. But I need to go to work. So unfortunately, that's it. Just a short little video of a Hagie Y-Dropping. And we'll see what else we can get into. So yeah, with that, you guys have a good one. Be safe as always. We'll check you later.